Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English second paper class for class 6 students, and our today's topic is transformation, affirmative to negative, rule 1 to 9. So this is your first class of transformation. So let's see class 6. Subject English second paper, term annual, topic affirmative to negative, lecture 7, SW will be 6, teacher Ariful Islam, and this is my mobile number. So my dear students, let's start the class. So first take a look at what is the difference between a conversion and a transformation. Look, I have written a sentence, Abid is a good boy. So if we make it conversion, the sentence will be Abid is not a good boy. So in conversion, the whole meaning of the sentence changed, but in transformation we make it negative, but the meaning remains the same. If we make it transformation, we will write Abid is not a bad boy. So this is the change. In conversion, the whole meaning changes, but in transformation, we make it negative, but the meaning remains the same. Okay, let's do it. Rule number 1. If only or alone indicates Allah, God, creator or person, none but is used at the beginning of the negative sentence instead of only or alone. So if only alone indicates Allah, God, creator or person, if only alone indicates Allah, God, creator or person, in place of only we will write none but. So only here indicates Allah. Okay, so we will write here instead of only none but. We have written none but Allah can help us. Okay, instead of only we will write none but. If only indicates Allah, God, creator or person. So only he. Here only indicates a person. So instead of only we will write none but he can do the work. Okay, rule number 2. If only alone indicates things, nothing but is used in place of only alone. So here a child likes only sweets. Sweet is a thing. So if only alone indicates a thing, we will write nothing but in place of only. A child likes. So in only indicates thing, that's why we will use nothing but. A child likes nothing but sweets. Okay. Rule number 3. If only indicates age, number, not more than or not less than is used in place of only. So if only indicates a number or age, so we will write not more than or not less than in place of only. So we will write Karim was 22. So we will write Karim was not more than, or you can write not less than 22. So we have finished 3 rules. If only or alone indicates Allah, God, creator or person, we will write or in place of none but. In place of only we will write none but. And if only indicates a thing, we will write nothing but. If only alone indicates a is a number, we will write not more than, not less than. So rule number 4. If any affirmative sentence contains must, cannot but or cannot help is used. So if a sentence has must, man must die, emphasize here. So instead of must, we can write cannot but or cannot help. So we will write man. In place of must, we will write cannot but. Man cannot but die. You can also write you cannot help dying. You must obey your parents. So in place of must, we can write cannot but or cannot help. Okay, if we write cannot help, what do we do? After help, the verb comes, we have to make it ing. So you cannot help obeying your parents. So if a sentence has must, in place of must we can use cannot but or cannot help. But if we use cannot help, we have to make ing after the verb cannot help. Okay, let's move to rule number 5. If any affirmative sentence contains both and, not only is used in place of both, and but is also used in place of and. So if a sentence has both and, we have to use what? We have to use in place of both not only. So he took not only fish but also meat. In place of both we will use not only, in place of and we will use but also. Very easy rule. Okay. Rule number 6. An affirmative sentence having every at the beginning can be changed into negative by using the following rule. Okay. So there is no the word used after every but the rest of the sentences. Okay. So if a sentence starts with every, we have to, what do? We use in place of every there is no. So there is no. In place of every you have written there is no. Then the word after every. Then what comes? One. Everyone. Okay. Then we use but. There is no one but, and then the rest of the thing. There is no one but hates a liar. Every mother loves her child. In place of every we will write there is no, and then the after word of every what comes? Mother. There is no mother. Then comes but loves her child. You can change it a different way. In place of every there is no mother, you can use who here. So if you give who here, you have to make it negative. Who doesn't love her child? That is the difference. So rule number 7, if an affirmative sentence starts with as soon as, the following rule is used to make it negative. No sooner had subject, past participle form of the verb, rest of the sentence, then. Okay, look. As soon as the thief saw the police, comma, he ran away. So in place of as soon as, we will write no sooner had. And then the subject will come, the thief. Had the thief. So no sooner had the thief, then the verb will come. Look, here no had is given. As soon as the thief saw the police, no sooner had the thief. As we use here had, we have to make past participle of the main verb. That's why we have to make seen. No sooner had the thief seen the police. In place of comma, we have to write then. Then he ran away. So in place of as soon as, we have to write no sooner had, and then the subject and the verb will be past participle form as we have written had, past participle of the verb. In place of comma, we will have to write then. We will move to next rule. 8. Affirmative sentence having superlative degree can be changed into negative by using the following rule. No other, the rest of the after the superlative verb so as positive form of the superlative degree as subject of the given sentence. Look, he is the best boy in the class. This is called a superlative degree. So from superlative degree, if we make it positive degree, this will be negative. So if a superlative degree starts with the plus superlative degree, we starts the positive degree with no other. So we have to give no other first. Then the rest of the thing, the rest of the after superlative, After superlative what comes? Boy in the class. So you have to write no other boy in the class. Then you have to write verb. Verb is. Then so as. Anyone you can use. So have is as positive form of the positive degree, superlative degree. So good, better, best. So we will write here positive degree good as the subject he. So if a superlative degree starts with the plus superlative degree, we can make it positive by first no other and then rest of the superlative degree boy in the class, then verb as positive degree of the superlative degree form. We will make it positive degree good, better, best, positive good and as, and then subject will come. Last rule today, to change an affirmative sentence into negative, the affirmative word in the sentence is changed into negative and not is used before the negative word. So to change an affirmative sentence, this is a simple affirmative sentence, I shall remember you. So if you make it negative, what we can do? First take a look at he is a good player. Where is this sentence? So this is simple assertive sentence. So if we make it negative, what we can do? We have to write subject he is. Then we have to write not. Not, he is not a, and the opposite of good is bad. He is not a bad player. This is also simple affirmative sentence. Abid is an honest boy. We have to make it negative. So Abid is not a, opposite of honest is dishonest. Abid is not a dishonest boy. Okay. So we make it negative. I shall remember you. So we can write I shall not will come. I shall not. Remember opposite is forget. I shall not forget you. Okay. So there is another rule to come. Last rule. Every rose has a thorn. So we learn in rule number. Can you come please here? Here. Everyone hates a liar. After every plus noun, comes the main verb. Okay. Every mother loves, main verb comes. So if after every a noun has or has come, how can we make it negative? So every rose has a thorn. In place of every, we will write there is no. Then the noun of after every rose. In place of if has come, we will write in place of has without. So there is no rose without a thorn. Okay. So after every plus noun be has come, we will write in place of every there is no noun, and in place of has we will write without a thorn. So look, I have finished your class. Let's take a look at your SW annual term lecture 7. SW will be homework will be 6, submit on Sunday. Transform the following sentences into negative. I am not pointing. Number 1, only the transform the following sentences into negative. Number 1, only the moon was visible. Number 2, the old man was alone alive. Number 3, all men must die. Number 4, every man hates a liar. Number 5, as soon as the teacher entered the class room, the students stood up. Number 6, Jimin missed the train. Number 7, I shall always remember your advice. Number 8, the sailor was bold. Number 9, both Kim and Jang went to win the picnic. Number 10, Jungkook is only 10 years old. So this is our SW. So my dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Do your assigned SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm from the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBS City and Diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copy. We are giving 2.5 marks each of your SW copy. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.